Hello and welcome to my Submagic review. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete demo and tutorial of Submagic AI tool. So if you want to know how to use Submagic AI tool in the right way, then watch this video till the end. And there is one good news for you that if you want to try Submagic AI for free, then I will give the link of this free trial in the video description. And also if you want to purchase any of the Submagic plan, then you can use my coupon code SUMIT10 for 10% discount on any Submagic AI pricing plan. So you can use Submagic promo code SUMIT10 for 10% discount on any Submagic AI plan. So let's get started and see how to use Submagic AI tool. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So when you will log into your Submagic account, then you will see a screen like this, as you can see here. So all you need to do is just click on this create button. So when you will click on it, then it will give you option to upload your video. So just click on this download icon. When you will click on it, then from here you can select your video. So I'm going to select this Submagic coupon video from here and I'm going to click on open. Okay, so as you can see, it is loading, and from here you can give this project a names. For example, this is Submagic coupon. If you want to change the name of this file, then you can change it, and you can select language of your choice. There are lots of language, so I'm going to select English because this video is in English. Okay, so after that, what you need to do, just click on this transcribe button. Okay, so just click on it. So it will take some time to upload the video. As you can see, video is uploading, and after that it will generate captions with 99% accuracy. So it will take some time to generate the caption for your video. So when it will upload your video, then you will see a dashboard like this where it will show your video here and it will show the captions in the left sidebar. Okay, as you can see, so as you can see, it is showing me captions here, but size of this caption is very small. So what I can do, I can increase the size of this captions as large as I want. Okay, so I can increase and decrease the font size using this option, and I can set the position using this option. Okay, so I want to place this somewhere here. Okay, and I want to increase the font size. So now it is looking good. So there are lots of caption style, as you can see, like Alex Hermosi style, Ali Abdal, and Mr. Beast. Okay, where is Mr. Beast? So here is Mr. Beast style. So if you want to change it to Mr. Beast style caption, then you can click on it. There are lots of caption style, as you can see here. Personally, I like this Hermoji 1 style. It looks very good and it automatically add icons in the caption. As you can see here, it is showing the icons. I hope you understood. So you can select your caption style using this option. There are lots of caption styles available, so you can select any of this caption according to your requirement. So I personally like this Hermoji 1 and Hermoji 2 style. So for now I am going to select this option, and after that there are two more options. Okay, so you can select you can increase or decrease the size. So this size is perfect, I think. So you can increase or decrease size using this option, and you can change the position of your caption using this option, and also you can change the color if you want. If you want to change this red color with something else, then you can click on it and change it, but as of now I am going to leave it as it is because it is looking awesome. Okay, I hope you understood. So the next thing is caption. Okay, so you can click on it and you can check your caption. If there is anything wrong in this, then you can check it, you can correct it easily. So let me show you. So as you can see, if you are planning to purchase Submagic AI, so I said AI, but it has written AI here. So I'm going to correct it Submagic AI. Okay, then I am going to, so it writes just I. So let me fix it. Then I am going to share a special coupon code with you that will help you to get 10% discount on any Submagic pricing plan. So all you need to do is just log into your account and click on the pricing tab. When you will click on it, then you will see. So I want to remove this thing. Okay, so let me delete it. So if you want to delete anything, then you can click on remove word and it will be removed, as you can see here. Okay, so I was reading from here. Then you will see all the pricing plan. Just select your plan and click on the pay button. So it has written it wrong, so let me click on the pay button, and after that apply the coupon code SUMIT10. So as you can see, sometime it will generate the wrong caption, so you can fix it. So coupon code is SUMIT10. So let me fix it, SUMIT10. So and I want to delete it, so just click on remove word. Okay, so just apply the coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan. So in this way, if there is anything wrong in the caption, then you can fix it very easily. Okay, so now let me play this video so that you can understand how it will look. So let's play it. If you are planning to purchase Submagic AI, then I am going to share a special coupon code with you that will help you to get 10% discount on any Submagic AI pricing plan. So all you need to do is just log into your account and click on the pricing tab. When you will click on it, then you will see all the pricing plan. Just select your plan and click on the buy now button, and after that apply the coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan. So as you can see, it is looking amazing, right? So in this way you can add captions. So next option is B-roll. So if you want to add B-roll in your video, then you can use this option. You can select this B-roll tab, and if you want to change the scene with anything else, then you can do it very easily. So for example, let me show you. If I want to change purchase with any other B-roll, then what I can do, I can click on it. I can click on this search B-roll option, and from here I can select any of this B-roll. Okay, so let me select this one and let's click on the apply button. Okay, so let me show you how it will look. If you are planning to purchase Submagic AI, then I am going to share a special coupon code with you. I hope you understood how it will look. Submagic AI will automatically add B-roll to your video. Then you can click on this magic B-roll option from here, and when you will click on it, then it will automatically add B-roll in your video. As you can see, it has added some videos here, B-rolls here, like here, and you can see here. Okay, so it automatically added B-roll here, but it will not always accurate. So for example, here we are talking about applying the coupon code, but it is showing something else here. Okay, so you can see here, apply the coupon code Sumit10. Okay, so we are going to talk about applying the coupon code, but it is showing some applying lotion in our body. So it will not always perfect. So I will highly recommend you to add B-roll manually, but if you want to speed up the process, then you can use this magic B-roll button. Next option is publish. So if you want that Submagic AI will generate title, music and description and all these things, then you can click on it and it will generate title and all these things using AI. As you can see, Submagic AI coupon code, it generated the title for us. Similarly, you can generate the hashtag and description if you want, and you can directly copy and paste it on your Instagram account and TikTok and anywhere where you want to publish this video. Okay, so after adding B-roll in the video, so let's play this video and see if it is looking good or not. If you are planning to purchase Submagic AI, then I am going to share a special coupon code with you that will help you to get 10% discount on any Submagic AI pricing plan. So all you need to do is just log into your account and click on the pricing tab. When you will click on it, then you will see all the pricing plan. Just select your plan and click on the buy now button, and after that apply the coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan. Okay, so this video is looking very good. So after doing all this thing like selecting your caption style, changing the size, changing color, changing position, and fixing all the errors in the captions, and after adding B-rolls and all these things, what you can do, you can click on this save button to save everything you have done, and after that you can click on this export button to export this video. But it will export your video with watermark if you are using the free version. So if you want to download the video without the Submagic AI watermark, then what you can do, you can click on this upgrade button. Okay, so when you will click on it, then it will show you the pricing plan. As you can see, so it comes with 4 pricing plan. First one is free, but with this plan you will get watermark in your video and you can upload maximum 3 video per month. So I will highly recommend you to purchase any of this plan. And there is one good news for you. As you can see, if you will select monthly plan, then it is not going to give you any discount, but if you will select yearly plan, then it will give you 20% discount. After that, when you will apply my Submagic promo code Sumit10, then it will give you additional 10% discount. So overall you will get 30% discount on any Submagic AI pricing plan. So if you want 30% discount, then select yearly plan from here, select the plan of your choice, and after that what you need to do is just click on this add promotional code and apply coupon code Sumit10 and click on apply. Okay, so in this way you can use my coupon code to get a huge discount on Submagic AI pricing plan. So now let's talk about what are the pros and cons of Submagic AI plans. So the pros of Submagic AI is that it is very easy to use, it is user friendly, it generates very good captions like famous YouTubers like Ali Abdal and Alex Hermosi and many other. So it generates very good looking captions for your video. You can add B-roll to your video, you can generate title, captions and everything using this tool. It is just amazing, right? So there are lots of pros of this tool, advantages of using this tool, but there is one serious con of this tool. Let me show you. If I will again open my video, so as you can see there is the very first thing is that sometimes it generates wrong captions, so you need to fix it manually. So it is not a big deal. It generates captions with 99% accuracy, but sometimes you will find that captions is not accurate. So in that case you can simply click on it and you can change it to anything you want. Okay, the first con is this, and second con is that if you will click on Magic B-roll, then it is not perfect. So it will generate random B-roll for you. Let me show you live example here. As you can see, we are going to talking about applying the coupon code, and when I click on Magic B-roll, then it added a B-roll where we are applying any kind of lotion in our body. So it is totally irrelevant, right? So Magic B-roll is not perfect, I can say, and there are limited B-rolls available inside Submagic AI. Why I am saying this, for example, let me show you. Let's select this pricing option, search B-roll, and as you can see it is giving us a very limited B-roll for this. So and many of this B-roll are not relevant to the word pricing. So that's what I want to say you, that Magic B-roll option is not perfect and there are not lots of B-roll available as of now. So this is one of the serious con of this tool. Apart from this tool is just amazing. Okay, so if you want to use it, then you can use my coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% discount on any pricing plan. And I hope you found this Submagic AI review video helpful. If you have any doubt regarding Submagic AI, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible.